The first thing we need to do when we wake up in the morning is stretch. We need to do stretches to warm up our body to keep it healthy and injury-free. This is only going to take 10 minutes and it's a beginner workout, so make sure you have a wall or sturdy support for balance. And let's get started. I have education and training in exercise physiology and injury prevention. I have taught this morning routine to hundreds of students who train with me in martial arts and self-defense, and also those who have a fairly sedentary lifestyle. They work a computer job and sit all day. So regardless of which spectrum you're on, it will help you keep your body really healthy and active. Just 10 minutes every morning. So we're going to start from the top of our neck, right, and work all the way to the bottom to our feet. And we're going to do 3 rotations each side. Now the key here is to stretch and flow at the same time. It's called flow stretching or stretch flowing. Now imagine when you wake up in the morning, you go, ooh, you stretch, and then your body's moving. That's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to do a stretch. And instead of holding it, we're going to move it, flow with it. Now that right there is the key to keeping our body, maintaining the health, and also helping it realign a little bit. That causes that chronic pain that you sometimes feel, right? Off and on and off and on and off. Well, that's because your body is slightly misaligned and maybe it's pushing something is pushing on a nerve. So to help with that, we're going to do our flow stretching. Now you will hear some clicks. Don't freak out, that's normal. That's your body finding its balance and realigning, okay? So let's start with our neck, and you're gonna drop it to one side. Don't push it, just let it drop. So don't hold it, just drop. And then you're gonna look down, go to the other side. Now again, if you feel like you're lifting or holding, just drop. So you'll feel a stretch. And rotate. One more time. I don't know if you can hear some cricks and cracks in my neck already. I work on the computer quite a bit too, surprisingly enough. Good. And don't freak out if you hear any cracks or cricks or anything, okay? What is a crick? Last round. You can increase your pace a little bit if you like to make it more of a flow. Now the other side. Drop, drop, backwards. Good. And feel free to increase the pace a little bit. Feel a stretch on all sides. Goodness, I heard a click there. Alright, that's 3 each side. Now shoulders forward. And drop. Lift, stretch, drop. Feel free to yawn. And when that comes, when you feel a yawn coming, go for it, right? Up, now backwards, and drop backwards. You can go. It's totally great. You might even feel that down your arm. I feel clicking down my arm right now. I didn't stretch in the morning when I woke up a couple hours ago because I wanted to make sure I do this with you. Okay, now that you've done your shoulders, we're going to move to our arm. Okay, find a nice position. Okay, we'll start with the wrist. Okay, up, out, down, in, up, out, down, in, and one more. If you work on the computer a lot, there's going to be a lot of clicking here. It's fine. Again, find that stretch in your wrist. Ooh. Did you hear that? And reverse. Inside. Oh my goodness. There we go. Out. But feel that stretch. You're not just flowing. You're feeling that stretch. Feel free to yawn. There we go. That's it. Now we're going to do our elbows. So you're just going to do in, out. And you can move it around a little bit. It's fine. If you feel like, oh, there's something like a knot, and move it around. Just in and out. Wingspans, right? You can do that. You can go in, wingspan. Oh, that's a lot of clicking. It's a little bit more intermediate, I'd say, but don't worry about that. And reverse. Go out, come in. Go out, come in. Go out, come in. You're going to feel it in your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist, your fingers. A lot of clicking. Good. All right, now we're going to go on to our waist. Okay, so you're going to turn. Keep it simple. All right, if this feels good, now the next three, we're going to reach. Reach. You can hold and reach. Hold back and reach. Good. All right, moving down. Hips. Okay, gonna go sideways. And you can just kind of relax here. Go back almost as if you're trying to sit. Go to the other side. See if you can bend the knee you're pushing your hips towards and keep the other leg straight. Forward, almost like a very mild back bend. See if you can now flow with it. Ooh. Good. And the other way. Side, back. Your left, forward. And last circle. See if you can make it nice and flowy. But of course you're stretching, so please continue to feel that stretch. Alright, we're going to work our way down to our knees. And before we do anything with the knees, if you need to find balance, go ahead and find something to hold on to, okay? You're going to put if you're mirroring me, left knee up, and then you're going to try and sit back. Again, feel free to hold on to a wall. Sit. You'll feel a glute stretch, and maybe your knee will pop. My knee already popped today morning, so I don't hear it. Let's try the other side. Alright, hold your ankle. Gently push down on your thighs if you need to, not your knee. And sit backwards. And hold a wall if you need to. No clicks here either. Okay, good. 3 seconds, come back up. Alright, now we're going to start with left knee if you're mirroring me. Lift it, hold the wall. Good. Okay, get ready. Now you're going to do front kicks. And now you're going to do kind of side to side. You might hear your hips click in this one, or your knees. And now circles with your heel. Lead with your heel. There, now my knee's clicking other way. Good. Drop that. Now hold the wall on this side. I'm holding an invisible wall. Left. Find your balance and kick. Side to side. And roll with your heel. Leading with your heel. Now you can always change it up. Maybe one day you try leading with your toes like that. It's fine. Alright, and drop that knee. Good. Okay. And again, you need to take a little bit of moment, right? To just do something different and flow it out and stretch and flow. Go for it. Okay. We're going to move to our ankle. Roll your ankle. So you're going to point down first. Inside, top, outside. Feel that stretch. Stretch again. Hold on to a wall, right? Feel that stretch. Oh, yes. Now the other way. 3 times the other way. Making of nice flowy circle isn't as important at all. As important it is to feel a stretch on each corner. Each corner that you're going into, the 4 corners, you should feel that stretch, okay? That's really important. The other ankle. Good. And now we're going to reverse. Feel a stretch on each side. Now, if there's tightness, don't force yourself through it. Just try and glide over it. Like you're saying, oh, hello, Mr. Tightness. Okay, I acknowledge you, and now you're walking through it. Okay, just enough till you feel the tightness and you flow through it. The tightness will subside over time. All right, drop that. Now there is an optional bend if you'd like to do that. Okay, you can drop your body here, swing. You can relax your knees. You need to get more of a lower back twist and relaxation here. Oh my goodness, my lower back just cracked. Alright, and now you can just make a circle. This is a little bit more intermediate. But if you want to try it, go for it. I'll just do one circle and then one the other way. Almost a back bend. Side, feel it in your waist here. Down. Good, come on up. And now we're just going to end this with shaking it out, okay? So you're going to start with... And see if you can kick. Kick sideways. Good, excellent. And now when we go on to our intermediate, we'll do more things like lifting our leg further up. You'll feel more clicks and cracks. I should find a better word for that. But this is it. This is all it takes, right? Now, if you feel like some part still is clicking a little bit more and you need to go back to it, go ahead and do that. Our shoulders usually need a little bit more. Elbows, wrists. So feel free to do that. And once you've done your beginner workout for a week, every day, in a couple days, you've done it, you're ready to move on to your intermediate. So go ahead and check that out. Have a safe, healthy day. Bye.